Girl Bella.
Hello babes, it's me, Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, back again to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. I'm so happy to see you all. So this segment I'm going to call Whatever Happened To. So these are some of the products that I was clamoring to purchase, got them, used them for a little while, and then I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened to them. They're here, but they're not in my rotation. So I'm just gonna pick out a couple of products that I felt really fell into this category. And I'm sorry, because a lot of them, most of them, are popular ones and ones that I really was like, I must have it. And then I forgot about it. So here we go. I'm gonna start off with some things from Fenty, namely these liquid lipsticks. So pretty, and you may even see them behind me sometimes. But I will tell you, I haven't touched them in months. I was gonna say weeks, but no, months. Especially this one. Haven't touched this since last fall. Hopefully it's still good, but I need to start wearing it. This was the first one that I bought from Fenty, and yes, again, I still have lots of products still left here, same as these. I just need to use them. So although I like them, I need to use them. So I'm gonna try to incorporate this a little bit more in my everyday routine. If you have these, you know what I'm talking about. You don't want them to spoil because they're already separating from the bottle, as you can see vividly in this one. So we want to make sure that we get our money's worth, ladies. If you bought it, use it. Okay, two more from Fenty, and they are the cream products. These are brand new. I clamored for these when they first came out. I was like, I must have them. And I might have used them for a week and then forgot all about them. They've been sitting in my drawer all this time. So this one is the Cheeks Out bronzer in chocolate. You might remember me saying this is a little bit too deep for me, but I was going to try and make it work. I haven't, so I need to go back and use it. And then this one is the cheek product, and this is in Fuego Flush. Again, I clamored for this. I really wanted to use it in collaboration with her highlighter that she has that has a little bit of that orange flavor to it as well. I might have done it twice, forgot about it, never picked it up again. So I have to start using these. The other thing that I got in the realm of cream blushes is this beauty here by Tower 28. Now I got this purely out of FOMO because every time I tried to get this, it was out of stock. So that's why I really wanted to get this. I used it once. Now I will tell you, babes, in all honesty, I kind of knew this about me. I kind of knew I was not going to use this more than once, maybe twice. But again, hard head, I bought it anyway and did the exact same thing I'm telling you about. So guys, don't be like me. Use this product. If you have it, use it. Don't let it go to waste. Here's another product that I bought and then I forgot. This is the Chantecaille Radiance Chic Cheek Duo. It's a blush and highlighter. This coral shade will actually go very well with either this cream blush or this one. So I am going to try it like that, using the cream product first and then topping it off with the powder. And then the highlighter, I do love. Look at that shine. Again, I just keep forgetting about it. So let's put a little bit on right now, shall we? There we go, right on top of that color that I already had. Gives it a nice healthy flush of color, nice glow to it. It's a beautiful product, I just keep forgetting to reach for it. So definitely have to add this to my rotation. Same with these products by Natasha Denona. I love her complexion palettes. I think nobody does it better than her. But for some reason, I keep forgetting to grab these. This is the Bloom Blush and Glow palette. And this one is her latest one. This is the Love Glow palette. Again, beautiful. I just keep forgetting to grab them. Lastly, in the cheek department, this is something that when I first got it, I raved about this. I loved it. It was in my favorites rotations. And then as I got more new cheek products and more new complexion products, it just fell by the wayside. This is the Cover FX in Warm Honey. Again, not that I don't like it, it's just not top of mind for me. And now let's go into eyeshadow. There were only two that I thought this time around I really need to grab and keep forgetting to do so, and they're both by Viseart. This is the Petite Pro Chou Chou, and this is the Spritz Edit. Let's talk about the Spritz Edit for a moment, because these colors are definitely colors that I am currently wearing. You can even see in this eyeshadow look that the colors in this palette are very similar. Now, did I use this palette for that? I did not. I used another palette for this because I keep forgetting it's here. So I have to do a better job of rotating my palettes, because this is beautiful. Look at these tones. Beautiful. I just keep forgetting to use them. Alright, and now finally here is a look at the Petite Pro Chou Chou. These colors are so delicate and beautiful. Right up my alley with the pinks and the corals. I love the shimmer shades in here. This icy pop of silver. Heavenly, heavenly. And I just got another palette that has a similar color to it. I would love to see those two together in like an all shimmer silver eye look. I just gotta remember to grab it. Okay, so that concludes all of the things I forgot about and I need to rotate into my collection once again. Let me know in the comment section below what things you forgot you had and that you need to rotate in your collection coming up. Let me know, and then hit me up in the comment section below and let me know what those are. Until next time, you have been Bellified. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon.